So today we're going to get a look around this FADAL VMC 4020 HT. It's a machine that was new in '93, and we're going to take a moment and just do a walk around and take a look at the condition. This machine was running in a small machine shop. The machine runs in all aspects, and today we're going to show the machine run in a limited aspect because the air compressor has been pulled out of this shop and we're unable to show a tool change. So the machine is operational in all aspects and a good running machine. Jog the head around just a tad. Let's just take it out. This machine is in very nice shape for the age. It has the FADAL CNC HS88 CNC control, and the panel here is in very nice condition with the exception of a couple buttons which I'm sure can be replaced. Table's really nice, completely free of any mill marks, flaking still present across the entire surface. Just opened up the electrics here, and super clean, well maintained. This thing's been sealed up really well over the years and well ventilated as well. Alright. This little FADAL has the standard coolant system shown here in the back of the machine. As well as the automatic lubrication back there. The enclosure doors are in very good shape. Still even very clear and slide and work very well.